Get ready with me.
Yeah.
Now that the makeup and the hair is done, what am I going to wear? The look around the ankle is quite on trend. The little extra seasoning, you know. I want to go one step further and add a pinstripe vest that's of a darker blue on top. Okay, this is cute. I love it. Be a little obvious and go with just a classic black pump. I do want to wear a heel. Favorite bomber from Topshop. Let's throw it on. Yeah, it might be chilly inside. It's spring. The weather is very erratic. Silver and gold moment. This plays well to the mixed metal vibe we got going. Okay, so we got the jacket, the skirt. I really like styling it. I love the 2-zipper thing. You can do all kind of things. You can wear this jacket without a shirt and go real sassy and sexy. Skirt is super long. I'm in my long skirt era. Skirt is absolutely fabulous. It's unusual, unexpected. Let's get a shoe and a bag. So keeping in theme with the unexpected, I want to go with this burgundy strappy heel. Now I can go with this coin purse clutch. This is from Max Mara. If you watched my previous video, it was a haul. You would have seen this or watched my shorts. I talked about it in that as well. This with the strap or just classic coin purse style. You know, blue and yellow is a good spring color combo. It'd be nice if this was like a butter yellow, which is the color of the season, that shade of yellow. But nonetheless, I'm shopping my closet. This is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna wear. We'll just tuck the tails under the brassiere. They just melt together. This lighter shade, and I think that's a lot less stark. I'm trying to keep this light, cute, and comfy, but I also want to look like I did put some thought into it, which I did, to have that broken up. I like the belt. And for a hat, ooh, this is the clutch I'm gonna go with. And you see why I got the hat. The two ties together, and with the cargo feel, they just work. One of these looks is a good brunch look for you. Let me know in the comments, and as always, please like and subscribe to the channel if you like what you saw here. If you made it this far, you probably did.